Welcome to my channel, GK with JK. Please subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell icon to receive notification.
The origin of the name Bharat is associated with which ancient mighty king? A. Maharana Pratap. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Bharat Chakravarti. D. Ashoka Maurya. Answer C. Bharat Chakravarti. Which is the largest city in India? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Delhi. D. Madras. Answer A. Mumbai. Which is the largest state in India? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer C. Rajasthan. How many states are there in India? A. 28. B. 29. C. 36. D. 15. Answer A. 28. Which is the longest river in India? A. Gandaki. B. Kosi. C. Brahmaputra. D. Ganga. Answer D. Ganga. Which is the widest river in India? A. Brahmaputra. B. Gomti. C. Ganga. D. Chambal. Answer A. Brahmaputra. Which is the tallest tower in India? A. Charminar. B. Qutub Minar. C. Leaning Minaret. D. Shaheed Minar. Answer B. Qutub Minar. Which is the longest dam in India? A. Bhakra Dam. B. Indira Sagar Dam. C. Hirakud Dam. D. Nagarjun Sagar Dam. Answer C. Hirakud Dam. Which is the longest tunnel in India? A. Chenyani Nishri Tunnel. B. Jawahar Tunnel. C. Malaguda Tunnel. D. Kamshet Tunnel. Answer A. Chenyani Nishri Tunnel. Which is the tallest statue in India? A. Harmandir Sahib. B. Hampi. C. Statue of Unity. D. Gomteshwara. Answer C. Statue of Unity. When was the first women's university established in India? A. 1917. B. 1915. C. 1916. D. 1925. Answer C. 1916. What is the name of the first women's university in India? A. Shri Padmavati Women's University. B. SNDT Women's University. C. Banasthali Vidyapeeth. D. LSR Women's University. Answer B. SNDT Women's University. Where was India's first women's university established? A. Delhi. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. D. Bangalore. Answer C. Mumbai. Who was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal in the Asian Games? A. Kamaljeet Sandhu. B. Sucheta Kriplani. C. Rajia Begum. D. Bachendri Pal. Answer A. Kamaljeet Sandhu. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Kalpana Chawla. B. Razia Sultan. C. Bachendri Pal. D. Sucheta Kriplani. Answer: C. Bachendri Pal. Who was the first female IPS officer of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Kiran Bedi. C. Vimla Devi. D. Mother Teresa. Answer: B. Kiran Bedi. Who was the first female governor of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Sushmita Sen. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Mamta Banerjee. Answer: A. Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first female judge of the Supreme Court of India? A. Uma Bharti. B. Sushmita Sen. C. M. Fatima Bibi. D. Karnam Malleshwari. Answer: C. M. Fatima Bibi. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Lord Dufferin. D. Lord Lytton. Answer: B. Lord Mountbatten. Who became the first Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Lal Bahadur Shastri. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Morarji Desai. Answer: A. Jawaharlal Nehru.